So how important is temperature really? Especially when you are trying to start some new seedlings? Well, let's find out. These seeds were some wildflower mix that I got at the Dollar Tree last year. They were planted on April 27, 2023 in the downspout you see here. You can also see some Cosmo flower seeds that I planted the next day in another downspout inside the windowsill. Now let's take a look at the wildflower seeds to compare to the same seeds that I planted in the downspout inside the windowsill. So let's go check out the other seeds. As you can see, there is a big difference in the size of the plants, and these were actually planted a day later than the seeds on the outside downspout. Let's head inside to go get a better look at the seedlings. So we are 22 days later from when the seeds were originally planted. There is a significant growth difference, as you can see, with the seeds that were grown inside the windowsill. The seeds were the same, the nutrients were the same, each got the same amount of sun. The only difference was the more stable temperature inside the house. These were some different wildflower seeds, but they are also showing some significant growth compared to the seeds located outside on the windowsill. So I am going to go ahead and grab the mixed flower seeds and go and swap them out with the ones outside. As you can see, the growth difference is significant. Again, this will be different with each type of seed, but it is interesting to see how big of a difference the temperature made. Now I will go and place the seeds that I originally started outside and place them inside the windowsill downspout. So this will be the next experiment to see how much they grow over the next couple of weeks. It will be interesting as I still have 4 of the original plants outside that I will be able to compare with. So until next time, see ya!